Good morning, scientists. So today we are learning about the stars, and that's why I'm wearing the shades, because it's going to be bright out. So got the sunglasses on, and about stars. First of all, before we get to stars, talking about the Earth. We've learned about the Earth. We pretty much did that all third quarter, learning about the Earth. And the Earth, its size compared to everything else in the solar system, it's on the small side. So if you're comparing the Earth to the sun, it's like, it'd take like 108 Earths just to go across the diameter of the sun. So Earth is really tiny. The sun makes up 99% of the mass of our solar system. Most of the solar system is made of the sun. All the other planets together, including Jupiter, only make up 1% of the mass of the solar system. So Earth on the small side. The sun, as far as compared to other stars, the sun is just an average size star. There are stars smaller than the sun, there's stars larger than the sun. So it's about average size. It's not necessarily one of the biggest stars. So I'm outside recording today, so that way I got the sunlight on me, lighting me up nicely here, and you can see the sunlight shining in the background. And what makes all that sunlight shine? That is nuclear fusion. That's one of the things that's in one of the couple of the music videos today. So today's work, I've got for you on there. There's a little video about these guys making a scale model of the solar system. And also there's a couple videos on there showing the size of the sun and the Earth compared to other stars. And then the last two videos on there are about why the sun shines. So one's about why the sun shines, and the other one's why the sun really shines. So giving a little bit more scientific detail there. So why the sun shines, it all has to do with gravity. So massive stars, they have all this mass, and then the gravity, the more mass, the more gravity. The gravity crushes down in the center and generates all this heat and pressure. What happens to all the hydrogen? The hydrogen gets fused together. That's where we get nuclear fusion. So you get two hydrogen atoms get fused together into one helium atom. And as it makes those larger and larger atoms due to fusion, it also gives off lots of energy. So that is nuclear fusion. So in the reading there is a really good diagram of that, and also in the little music videos today, you get to see a little bit about that. So that's nuclear fusion. So hydrogen atoms getting fused together to converted to helium atoms. Very young stars would be made out of a lot of hydrogen. Ooh, that's a good test question. Young stars made out of a lot of hydrogen. Older stars are going to be made out of more helium, because the hydrogen combines together to make helium. As a star gets older and older and older, a lot of that hydrogen has now been converted to helium, and there's less hydrogen in the stars. So we'll talk about that tomorrow. That's tomorrow's lesson, how stars go through their life cycle. And let's see, last thing, all future work, make sure you get it in on time. I'm trying to make my workflow so I can kind of have my grades updated and current. So I've given your class plenty of time to get everything done. Most of the work you should be able to get done in one class, one day. Some assignments I give you 2 or 3 days to get them done in case you need extra time. So I've taken that into consideration with the due dates. But make sure your work is in by the due date, whether it's a quiz, whether it's an assignment, what have you. All right, if you have any questions about that, please inbox me. Speaking of questions today, on Wednesday, I'll have a live question and answer session. I did that last week. Only a few people tuned in. Hopefully this week I'll have some more. If you've got some questions or you want to just say hello, that's fine, from 12:30 to 1. On Wednesday's announcement, I'll have a link to join that meeting, and you could tune in then. All right, so today I'm going to be grading all the work that you turned in last week. Some of you have already graded it. If I didn't grade your work yet, I'll get to that today. And hopefully that'll be all updated on Canvas today, and definitely on to Pinnacle by tomorrow. All right, so stay curious and make sure you get your work done. Again, if you have any questions, please inbox me. All right, so long.